Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 88 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we are working on the harmonic minor scale with exercise 137.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So we're going to continue with our slowed down ear training analysis here. And I want you to just notice what all of the major second and minor second steps are here on this harmonic scale. It is not the same as we had in the melodic minor scale, right? So we've got this first step from C to D, which is a major second, right? Then we've got from D to E flat, which is a minor second. E flat to F, which is a major second. F to G, major second. G to A flat is a minor second. Right now, oh no. What is that? It's not a major second and it's not a minor second. It is a minor third, okay? Right? That's kind of crazy. Because it's one of these things, because we've got an A flat and a B natural. Yeah. We could actually call that like an augmented second. I don't know. I'm not up on my theory. Maybe that's what it is. I'll ask my husband, he'll know. But for the sake of this, it's not one step or two steps, okay? It's 3 steps, okay? So that you gotta think of as really high, really pulling north. And why? Because our next one, that's the leading tone to our tonic note, which is the C, okay? So whenever we have a leading tone, we have to think that it's very high, always, because it implies the tonic note. So we cannot be low on that leading tone. It has to really magnetically pull up to the tonic. So let's play this again just once through. It's kind of fun, right? So when you sing this, I would really take your time to just analyze this within C major before you transpose this, okay? So you can feel this. So that one is na, 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 na. Those ones are tricky, right? Okay, let's try that again. And so you'll want to play around with that, I would say 10 times. Get really confident. Then you can start transposing that. And then you can even make up little vocalises based on the harmonic minor scale and the melodic minor scale. But these two are put in here because, you know, we had this kind of chromaticism, right? Which helps us understand the structure of the minor scales. And we're about to get going into exercises for flexibility. So this takes our attention again to that tuning aspect, and growing our voices while we're growing our ears is very, very important. And don't underestimate the importance of that, because that can really dictate how fast and how quickly you develop.